welcome back everybody. My name is Dean from Scenescapeshop and this is your Coffee Break Thursday. It's Groundhog Day. Hey, welcome back everybody. My name is Dean from Scenescapeshop and this is your Coffee Break Thursday. It's Groundhog Day. I return. Not fully, of course. I'm just doing a quick painting today. The painting I was going to do, the landscape painting I'm working on, I'll do next week instead. Just because I realised it's Groundhog Day today. I just want to do a quick painting. So I did one last night and yeah, Groundhog Day. So just a quick introduction just to say hello and I miss you and I love you and I'd like to see you again if that's okay with you. I've been very busy in the background just doing my prints and stuff and getting that launched. It's gone well over 100 prints sent away all over the UK so far. What's the matter, baby? Oh no, what happened? Never in the world. She's been licking all the envelopes. Anyway, just a quick one. I'm returning fully next week, but I just wanted to quickly say hello and that I miss you. And it's good to see you again. And I'll see you properly next week. But it's Groundhog Day, it's Coffee Break Thursday, you know what to do. Pop that kettle on, make yourself a cup of coffee, put your feet up, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Cheers.
More coffee, hon?
Yeah, just keep it coming, please.
Sure thing.
It's real nice. Just put that anywhere, pal. Yeah. Good save.
Don't you worry about cholesterol, lung cancer, love handles?
I don't worry about anything anymore.
What makes you so special? Everybody worries about something.
Well, that's exactly what makes me so special. you.